This HO gauge model railroad was started in March of 1972. It took 4 whole years to complete 2 tracks all the way around. Shortly after that, we had a grand opening in March of 1976. Had a lot of people at that grand opening. Subsequent to that, I filled in a lot of bench work and a lot more track, and we ended up with about 800 feet of track. The next step was doing scenery. I decided probably that would be pleasing to more people than an electrical upgrade would, so I bought a 100-pound bag of plaster and used old scrap screen and built the mountains and other scenic effects. After that, I built the panel board about the year 2000. Can run 5 trains at one time on completely different track circuits, but it's like watching 5 children at one time. Sometimes they misbehave and we have accidents. We were pretty fortunate, didn't have many serious things happen. Some of the trains have many locomotives pulling them. One today had 4 locomotives, others had 2 and 3 locomotives. The longest train is over a scale mile long. It has about 85 cars on it.